Have you ever wondered why some ladies attract more guys than others? Well, being beautiful isn't everything, but it is undoubtedly important. A girl who isn't very good looking can still have many guys falling for her. Some of the traits that make women attractable in the eyes of men are: 1. Your dressing. Ladies are often confused about what to wear, so that their guys won't be able to resist praising them. Guys love ladies who are well groomed, so it is advisable to take advantage of this. Wear something that is tasteful and looks great on you whenever you are around your guy. 2. Have a tempting fragrance. Guys love it when their ladies smell great. Spray perfume on your wrist, behind your ears, under your collarbone, and around your neck. Buy a variety of perfumes and see which one best suits you. And also wear different fragrances on different occasions. 3. Have an high emotional IQ. Girls are often expected to have deep emotions, but that doesn't mean that you fill your eyes with tears every time you hear a sad story. Always say the right thing at the right time, especially when he needs your motivation. Guys love when women with high emotional IQ who can encourage and inspire them. 4. Smile a lot. Smile a lot, but not unnecessarily. Guys always fall for girls' smile. Always smile when you are with him, but don't force a smile. Otherwise, he might think you are a joker or a freak. And make sure your smile is genuine and sweet. Let him know you are happy with him, and he will always love you. 5. Don't be judgmental. When you notice you don't really like something about your crush, you can share your honest opinion with them. Don't always make an issue out of nothing. Having an opinion is good, but being rude about it is not appreciated. For more tips, click on the link in the description to get more enticing tips for free. Thanks for watching, and please like,